Well, here we go. This is the test flight of the Stealthwings Stealth Spec. It's been a long time coming. First time I've been back home in the daylight, and it's not blowing a hoolie. So, right, without further ado, a couple little checks, and we'll get on with it. Right, here we go. Battery installation. I took everything in out of the way.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Right.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Yeah, a bit of FR sky, I'm afraid. Close proximity to the antennas. Sorry about the battery hatch, but it does work and it doesn't weigh anything. Right, so controls check. Ailerons, elevators, throttle. Right, the next test I shall switch the transmitter off. Failsafe okay. Tranny back on.
Welcome to OpenTX. Throttle warning.
Stick warning. Press any key. We have control. Ooh, it's got
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Well, it's got some beams anyway, so we'll get the F.P.V camera powered and record the flight to the goggles, but this flight will be line of sight.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Right, so here we go. This is full manual. There is no flight controller.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Thanks for that. Little bit of breeze. Let's go for it. I'll talk you through what we're doing as we're doing it.
Telemetry
Right.
lost. Telemetry recovered.
Right, here we go.
Telemetry recovered.
Right, we need a lot of down trim. We're in. Flying around quite nicely. A little bit of right aileron, bit more. Happy days. Bit more required. Right, a little bit more. I hope you can see the aircraft. That's now flying hands off, but we are at a very, very low power, about quarter throttle, yeah? So, opening up the taps, it starts rolling to the left slightly. A little bit more right trim. Climbing a little bit. It's very, very sensitive on pitch. We may need to adjust the CG slightly. Good turn of speed, and it is quite quiet. Roll rate's okay. Inverted performance, a little bit of down, not much. It does seem quite... Right, we do need to reduce the elevator movement quite a lot. Aileron trim, right, well, aileron rate, I think we need to reduce that slightly as well. Let's try and get a couple of nice flyby shots so we can see the model. There we go, back to idle. Down the road. Lovely. That's hands off. Vertical isn't an issue. Right, let's try get it back landed. We'll review the footage. We'll reduce the aileron, reduce the elevator, and then we'll let you know what we end up with. Right, back to flat idle. Bit of power, creep it in. Bit of power, creep it in. Bit more.
Telemetry recovered.
Right, here we go. This is the second flight. We have reduced the aileron and elevator movement, so this should be a lot less dramatic. That's looking better already. Full roll rate. Good, it's not like it's a half stalled aileron, or elevon should we say. Full up. Right, it is screwing out a little bit, so we have a little bit too much elevon still, but it's looking well. At the end of the day, I do want it carefree. So if I panic, I yank the elevator, it's not going to try and screw at all. Whoa, check out the pickup on that. Right, inverted flight. Little bit of down, not much, and recover. Excellent. Let's just fly over this backfield because I am trying to record this flight on the goggles. And the goggles are aiming over the field. I mean, even if you're not doing F.P.V, it's a very, very pleasant flying machine. I hope the GoPro can handle the sun, because I'm staring at it most of the time. But yeah. Let's get back to the other side, do a little bit of stooging around.
71 dB.
It's also nice I'm not staying into the sun flying, and the model looks a lot better with the sun on it. So we're just a smidge over quarter throttle, cruising round. Right, let's slow it, let's see how slow it'll fly. Whoa, there we go. Yep. So elevons are still a little powerful. Well, I might as well get it landed, we'll adjust it and try again. A little bit of throttle. That's looking good. Get it over the grass. Whoa, wrong side of the dike. Unlucky. And with the amount of rain we've been having, it's not looking bad. See if I fall in it. Oh, right, excellent. Right, quick adjustment. We'll be back in the air. Right, back to it. Little bit less elevator, and again, don't see any problems with this launch. It'll just go straight at my hand. Homesick Angel. Right, let's get it settled. Right, full chat, full up. Nice. Full around the corners. Full up. Whoa, tighten it up. Full again. Full again. Full again. Full loop. Nice. Right, stop caning it now. So we'll get the CG measured up where it's ended up, and we'll get the elevon, well, the elevator movement and the aileron movement measured up as well. Full roll rate, and again. Up, full over. There we go. Very crisp. Listen to that sound. It's not offensive at all. Them little fairings on the trailing edge just in front of the prop have made quite a difference to the noise. Whoa! Well, it's a lovely little flying machine. Just bob it in for landing. Oh, there we go. That's better. At least I'm at this side. Excellent. So aileron movement, elevator movement, not much, but I shall list all these.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered. Telemetry lost.
I don't know why it does that, but there you go.
Telemetry recovered.
There we go. Wonderful. Well, over and out for this stage of the Stealthwings stealth spec test, but it's looking good to go.